Welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you a very simple steps on how to do lipstick application, nails, gel, or maybe eyebrows. It's a simple trick. You don't need to have so many logistics so that you can be able to space up your photos. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Even before I proceed, if you are new here, guys, remember to subscribe, like and share, and give us a thumbs up. I'll take you through the steps on how to do the lipstick application on your photos. As the sample looks like, I have my subject over here. This is the client that I was dealing with. She requested to get a lipstick on her photos so that to look dope. As you can see, I'll take you through the simple steps. First I need to duplicate the layer. That's by pressing Ctrl J on the keyboard. That's the other layer. Let me rename the layer. Copy one. Copy one. So I'll need to go to the gradient map, where I'll need to click down there. Now I'll click the solid color. That give me another layer that will come up on the original layer and the copy layer that I had indicated. The lipstick that I want to apply on my subject photo is I need to indicate a maroon. So I will select using the color picker. Then I'll select the color. Then I'll click OK. On the original layer, then I'll invert. That's Control I, so that I can invert the layer. Then I'll go to the brush tool, or to the left icons. Then I select the brush tool. Remember that the background color should be black. As for you can see, for my case, I have the forward color is white and the backward color should be black. So as it is it. So take your brush tool. You can resize this accordingly. Then you need to apply directly to the lips, as it looks normally as you apply a lipstick. As you can see, it's running smoothly. So make sure you apply gently according to the lips lining. Yeah, using the brush tool. Make sure you resize the brush to the size that you are, so that not to apply to other places. Now as you can see, it looks like that's the layer that I've already applied to the lips. Then on the blending mode, select multiply. As you can see, it's changing. Then you need to right click. You need to double click on the layer that you're using, so that you get the properties. Double click on the layer that you're using. On the feathers, where to feather, make sure you increase the pixels to around 5 pixels. I think that one looks okay. Then you can close that one. As you can see, it's looking popping. Then you need to double click on the layer that you are using, so that it can open you the layer styling. That's where the blending mode. I usually get the blending mode options. Now under the underlying layer, where you need to, from the dark side and the light side, you need to move to reduce the sizes. Yeah, to make sure the lipstick it's glowing and looks natural, as you can see. Then I'll press it. I think it looks okay at that point. The figures that I'm using are not constant, so you can be able to do according to how it looks nice on you. So I'll just press OK, and the lipstick looks okay. That was the before and after. Before and after. Guys, I hope you have learned something from the video. It's educative. Remember to follow us on our page. It usually gives you update on new videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Give us a support by subscribing, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you.